Hey Creations fam, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video I will be showing you the finished product of my Mother's Day card. This is like a 3-in-1 card. We got quilling going on, we got like a shadow box style going on and a book style going on. I already posted part 1 and 2 of this card, so this is part 3. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I'm going to place my letter M right here, and then I put this over it. There is the hot paper strips around the edges, and there you have it. The book is closed, and I'm going to decorate the front. So the first thing I'm going to make is my leaves. And I'm going to use my quilling tool. Remember to check out the description box for these tools that I'm using. This tool came in like a kit with these paper strips that I'm using to make the leaves, and some of it I used to make the flowers as well. So you always see the process. That's my leaves, and I made a bunch of them using the small paper strips, and this paper strip also came into the quilling tool kit. So right now I'm just making my flowers.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So I made 5 petals, and now I'm going to glue the petals together. So here you have it, 3 flowers, 2 red, 1 pink, and I made me some other decorations. So right now I'm just placing these on the top of the card to see how I'm gonna position them. So I did it the first time and they didn't like it, so I took them off. And right here I'm just adding my piece of ribbon. So this is where I started all over again to position the flowers and the leaves together, and I was satisfied, so I just leave them as it is. So this is how I did it, and you can always do yours a different way if you wish to. Also remember to check out the previous videos that I made with this card, part 1 and part 2 of this card. I will place a link in the description box for them. So thank you all for watching. This is how it turned out, and yeah, I added me some pearls and a little bit more props to this card. I also made a box for this card. I will post that in my next video, so stay tuned. Remember to tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. Continue to watch, support, and if you wish to purchase any of my cards, you can always DM me at willozcreations@gmail.com or at willozcreations2020@gmail.com, whichever one you choose, or you can search up for Willoz Will on Facebook, or follow me on my page on Facebook at Willoz Creations. So yes guys, thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.